Hi everyone, welcome back to Flavors by Tinsky. Today, family will come over to visit us, and because lasagna is one of their favorite dishes, I decided to cook it and make them happy. So let's get it on. As my family is pretty huge, I'm cooking a bigger portion for around 10 people. So just divide the ingredients depending on the number of people you're cooking for. But remember, the more you cook, the happier you are because of the leftovers. So what do we need? Onion, garlic, sugar, salt, nutmeg, pepper, parsley, and basil. Then butter, mozzarella, cheddar, Parmesan, flour, and milk, as well as minced beef, passata tomato sauce, tomato cubes, beef stock, and finally pasta sheets. We are going to start with the bolognese sauce. For this, finely cut the onions and garlic. Then take a handful of herbs and chop them up as well. I still had some fresh chopped parsley left. That's why I only chopped the basil here. Now, heat up a big pot, drizzle some olive oil in it, and saute the onion and garlic. After that, add the minced beef and season it with salt and pepper. Remember, we want a lot of flavor, so let the meat get some good crust. Now add the crushed tomatoes and the passata, and in between stir the sauce that both are mixed well together. Pour the beef stock slowly in and add sugar, salt, and pepper. The sugar gives the sauce a good balance, otherwise it would be too sour. Now add the basil and parsley and let it cook for 30 minutes. On to the bechamel. Heat up the pot on a medium heat and add the unsalted butter. Slowly pour the flour into the pan and stir it quickly and add the milk and the Parmesan cheese. Keep on stirring until you reach the thick consistency and season it with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. From there, it's just an assembly job. Prepare a casserole and add a cup of bolognese sauce and a layer of lasagna sheets and repeat until you used up both. Now we continue with a layer of bechamel and on top finish it with the mozzarella, cheddar, and Parmesan cheese. Now we bake the lasagna on 180 degrees Celsius on the middle rack of the oven for 25 minutes until the cheese is golden brown and has a crispy layer. Take it out and let it rest for 5 minutes, then serve it with some extra basil and if you want with some salad. Food brings the family together and for sure this finger-licking good lasagna as well. So that's it. I'm sure you can't get enough of this lasagna. Press subscribe if you liked the video and click on the cards for more recipes from me. See you guys in my next video.